Alright guys, finally got the last piece that I needed for the Glycol chiller that I'll be setting up tomorrow. Neoprylene sleeve to keep everything cool and to keep condensation down, and some hose and stuff like that. I'm not even gonna bother showing you. It's just 3/8 hose. I thought this was the coolest thing. I don't know why I'm getting such a kick out of this. This quick release. I'm getting a kick out of it, so I'll show you why. Ready? Hold on. That's awesome. I don't know why. I just find that so awesome. Thing shoots out. Pretty cool. All right. So, let you know how everything goes later on tomorrow when I put everything together. See you later.